So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to turn on color filters on Messenger. So let's get it started. At first, make sure you have the Messenger app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. Now see, this is the inbox of your Messenger, and you should have to tap on menu icon which is available on the lower corner of right side. So tap on it. Now tap on setting icon. Then scroll down below and tap on accessibility. Now from here you can see the option of color filter. So tap on it. Now from here you can choose the color like this, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.